Back at it. It's made to go Mally. We just made it in Subway. I'm looking to get the y'all got loaded Doritos, right?
Doritos?
Yeah. This right here. That's what I'm looking to get. The foot long Doritos. That's what I want. And you could build it yourself, right? Like put what you want on it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what I want to do. We finna go ahead. We gonna build our foot long. They call them nachos. I guess they put cheese on them. We're gonna go ahead and build our Dorito bowl right now. It's supposed to be a foot long. We're about to get it together right quick. We should be able to probably make this ourselves, like get our favorite chips, something like that. Probably some kettle cooked. I like them kettle cooked jalapeno chips. That'd be nice. I'm gonna get chicken. I get to put what vegetables I want on it?
Yeah, actually it comes with lettuce, tomatoes, and
Okay.
if you want, we can add it.
Alright, that's cool. So they start off as Doritos. When they put them in a little oven right there, the Doritos, they get a little hardened. I see they kind of like crispy on the ends. And I guess you would kind of consider them nachos, like the tortilla chips. So yeah.
Put onions.
Green peppers. Lettuce. Spinach. Tomatoes. I should get tomatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna just get tomatoes.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna make it like a vegetable nachos, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna do it look good. Yeah, jalapenos. And you think I should put banana peppers on there? Yeah, give me right.
The chipotle sauce?
Yeah. That go on there?
Yeah.
Alright. Cool. So that's the loaded Doritos, huh?
Yeah, loaded Doritos. You made like all vegetables.
Yeah. Alright, so we got our loaded Doritos right here. We're gonna go ahead and see what it tastes like. Here go another look at our loaded Doritos. Let's check them out. They smell good. So they smell like how you'll go to your basketball game and you'll order like some nachos or something. They smell just like that because of the jalapenos. So we're gonna go ahead and try them. So I feel like what she did different with them was she toasted the Doritos. I ain't never had Doritos toasted before. So she toasted the Doritos and they got chipotle sauce on them with vegetables. I feel like the best part though is the chicken. The chicken good. Look, that's chipotle sauce right there. There goes some more. You know Subway got really good chicken. It's real tender. You can always rely on their chicken. And I made sure to get all the greens so we could stay healthy too. You got to pull it out the bowl. Hey, they really is good. They got a lot of flavor. The chipotle sauce hit. In my opinion, I would get more everything. I really load it up. Like, I get more vegetables. I get more chicken, more Doritos. Just a bigger portion. But this fire. And you can make it yourself. Now that we got the recipe, we can make it ourselves. Like, with some kettle cooked jalapeno chips or some Takis or something like that. Anything we want. Go ahead and put some chicken on there. It's gonna hit. Hey, you gotta try them. Them taste good. For $5, that's worth it for $5.